Okay, good afternoon, students. So, in the last class, we have discussed about structure of nephrons. I even discussed about the different names of nephrons. Do you remember? Glomerulus, then proximal convoluted tubule, then descending loop of Henle, then ascending loop of Henle, then distal convoluted tubule, then collecting duct. I have discussed. Do you remember? Yes? Do you remember or not? Yes, students? Do you remember? Yes, do you remember or not? I'm asking you something. Akmen Shisha, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we'll discuss about the functions. Understand? We will discuss about the functions of nephrons. आज हम लोग नेफ्रॉन्स का काम डिस्कस करेंगे मतलब नेफ्रॉन्स का काम क्या है, क्या करता है ये नेफ्रॉन्स, हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है? So first what will happen? First, the blood will flow from this efferent arteriole. From this efferent arteriole, the blood will flow. That is the impure blood. Understand? The impure blood or the unfiltered blood will flow from this efferent arteriole. Then it will come to this Bowman's capsule or as glomerulus. Understand? After coming there, what will they do? They will get filtrate. Means filtrate work will be done here. Filtered work will be done here. And after filtered work, all it will become pure now, the pure blood. Understand? It will go now where? To efferent arteriole. Understand? Means all the filtered blood they will go to they will go outside through efferent arteriole, and after that they will go and supply the pure blood to the different parts of the body. And all the unfiltered one, understand? All the unfiltered one they will go down. That is filtrate. We can say that one is filtrate. All the filtrate one will go down. That is where proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, it will go to the proximal convoluted tubule. And in this proximal convoluted tubule, what will happen? In this proximal convoluted tubule, also known as PCT, there will be reabsorption of ions. Okay, there will be reabsorption of ions. There will be reabsorption of water and also nutrients. All these things will occur. And what will happen?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is anatomy theory or practical?
Theory.
Ma'am, this part was done already.
Ma'am,
It's already
it was on
done.
the practical.
Okay.
On the practical class.
Okay, then if it is already done, can you tell me the functions then?
Ma'am, the topic are same or what for theory and practical?
Yes, it's same. Okay, if it is already done, then can you say? Wait, I'll ask someone. Babul Boro. Babul Boro. Can you tell
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what will happen in the glomerulus? Just now I have said. Can you tell me what will happen?
Filter small solute from blood.
Uh-huh.
Filters small solute from blood.
Filter small solutes from the blood. Okay, what type of filtration will be occurring here? I said na blood. Yes, Pavul.
Yes, ma'am.
All the impure blood will become pure now and it will go through efferent arteriole. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, in your class, did I discuss about reproductive system? Did I start?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then today we'll start with reproductive system then.
Ma'am, the function is finished.
Yes, it's over.
Okay, ma'am.
This one, no? Can you see the screen? Filtration, reabsorption, secretion, excretion. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All these things will occur. All these things I have given you in points. Understand? But I have discussed with you in details in the previous slide. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay,
Ma'am,
just
please
wait.
show the next slide. Ma'am, hello, ma'am.
Next slide.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This one? Okay.
Eh,
This is just a picture. I mean, just for your understanding, I see. Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain
Hello.
bit about
I can't hear you properly. Can you
excretion
please write? Uh-huh.
through this kidney?
Johnson, can you please write in the box? Actually, your voice is not clear.
Hello?
Can you please? Okay, you say now.
hello,
Your voice
hello,
is
ma'am.
not. Say.
Ma'am, please show the definition of nephron.
What?
Nephron part definition, ma'am. So nephron part, ma'am.
Nephron. Okay, wait. Okay, can you see? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one. I have already said about this nephron also. Nephron is located where in the cortex and medulla. In between the cortex and the medulla. Understand? And we have about 1 to 2 million number of nephrons. And these nephrons, they are the structural and functional unit of kidney. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Shall we start with the
Yes, ma'am.
another? Okay. Shall we start with the another topic? That is human reproductive system.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Okay.
screen is kidney only.
Kidney.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see now? Wait.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you see now?
Ma'am, no. No, ma'am.
What about
Yes, ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
What about now? Can you see everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you go to the place where network is a bit good, Himanshu. Okay, can you see now, Himanshu?
Ma'am, yes. Yes.
Okay. So today we'll be discussing about the human reproductive system. So in the human reproductive system, we will discuss about male and female reproductive system. Understand? So first of all, we will discuss about the female reproductive system. Then afterwards, we will discuss about the male reproductive system. Okay. So by hearing the word reproductive system, what comes to your mind? Reproductive system. Jyotishmita Devi. Jyotishmita Devi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what comes to your mind when I say reproductive system? Yes? Yes, Jyotishmita, what comes to your mind? Anything that comes to your mind if I say reproductive system? Yes? Okay,
The
anyone?
organ,
What organs?
the organs that are related to the new uh, production of new organisms.
Production of new organisms. Okay, you can say in that way also. Means they will produce something, it's not it? Something will come out, something new, it's not it? Yes, Jyotishmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so human reproductive system. So human reproductive system is what? They are the organ system. Understand? They are the organ system through which humans are produced. Understand? Through which humans are reproduced again. Means through which humans are born again, and they also bear offsprings. Offsprings means what? Means babies. You can say.
But
Means through.
babies.
Haha. Yes.
Same babies.
Yes. Okay. So human reproductive system is that. तो ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम क्या है? ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम मतलब कुछ और नया चीज आएगा. नया चीज मतलब क्या? फिर से मतलब जन्म होगा. ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं. तो ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, they are also known as genital system. Understand? They are also known as genital system. And this reproductive system, they are also involved in what? Sexual reproduction. तो ये रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, उसको जेनाइटल सिस्टम भी बोलते हैं. तो और ये मतलब कहाँ पे इन्वॉल्व है? सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन पे इन्वॉल्व है. ठीक है? Did you understand till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happens in the reproductive system, in the human reproductive system? The new life begins. Okay, new life begins through what? Means fetus. So what will happen? Means an egg, EWG egg, which you will be getting from female, which are made by female. Okay, means which you will find in ovaries, you can say. This egg is also known as ova, 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 which you will be getting in the ovaries. And when they will meet, fertilized sperm, where you will be getting in man, that is in male. Okay, that is in testis, you will get, that is in testis or testicles, you will be getting there. And when they meet together, they form a zygote. And this ovaries and testicles they are also known as gonads, Gonads, gonads. And these two ovaries and testicles, they make sex hormones. Understand? So what will happen here? In the reproductive system, a new life begins. And what happens here? Fertilized sperm means one sperm that is from the male, it will come from where? Testicles. Okay. And egg, that is matured egg, which is coming from female, that is ova. Ova also we can say, that is coming from the ovaries of the female. When they will meet together, they will form what? Zygote. And after that, what you will get, these ovaries and testicles are known as gonads, 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 and they make sex hormones. तो ये रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में क्या होता है, नया जिंदगी शुरू होता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक मैच्योर्ड स्पर्म, ठीक है, एक मैच्योर्ड स्पर्म जो मेल पे आता है, ठीक है, मेल से आता है, MAL मेल मतलब आदमी, इंसान, वो वहां से आके स्पर्म आता है टेस्टिकल्स, ठीक है, टेस्टिकल्स से आता है, और वो और एग, अंडा, EGG मतलब अंडा, वो मैच्योर्ड एग एक साथ मिलेंगे जो कि ओवरी से आएगा, यानी कि फीमेल से. अगर उन दोनों का मिलन हुआ, ठीक है, इफ दे मीट टुगेदर, एक साथ मिल गया, तो क्या होगा, जाइगोट फॉर्म होगा, मतलब बच्चा होगा. ठीक है, तो ये ओवरीज और टेस्टिकल्स, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, गोनेड्स, GONADS, गोनेड्स. ठीक है, और ये दोनों मिलके क्या करते हैं, सेक्स हार्मोन्स बनाते हैं. ओके, इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन टिल हियर?
Yes.
Okay.
Please repeat.
So now we will discuss about the female reproductive system. Okay, means what are the organs which you will be getting or else which you will be finding in the female reproductive system. We will discuss about it. तो अभी हम लोग फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गेन्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, क्या क्या ऑर्गेन्स मिलता है ना ये फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गेन्स पे. अभी हम लोग
Ma'am, please repeat.
फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम मतलब औरत, ठीक है, लड़की, उन लोग का रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम मतलब रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गेन्स में उन लोग का रिप्रोडक्टिव अंग में क्या क्या मिलता है, हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, रूहुबुल, अमीन, समझ में? Okay. So the first organ which you will be getting in the female reproductive organs is the vagina, womb, or else we can also say is uterus. Next is fallopian tubes and ovaries. So these are the four organs which you will be finding in the female reproductive system. तो ये सारे चार organs, ठीक है, vagina, womb, uterus भी बोलते हैं, fallopian tubes, ovaries, ये सब फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन से मिलता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट वेजाइना, द फर्स्ट ऑर्गन. तो अभी हम लोग पहला ऑर्गन्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, वो है वेजाइना. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द वेजाइना.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
diagram is necessary.
यस, you have to draw it. Okay, so this is a vagina, and this vagina, it is a muscular canal. Muscular canal means what? They are made up of muscles and they have canal. Canal means through which something can pass. And they are, what is the length of this vagina? 7.5 centimeter long. The length of this vagina is 7.5 centimeter long. And in this organ, what can you see? You can see that you will see that there are nerves and there are various nerves and mucous membranes. And this vagina, they are connected by what? By the uterus and cervix. This is uterus and cervix, and they are connected. Okay, is it clear? This vagina, they are a muscular canal, and what is the length of this vagina? 7.5 centimeter long. And this vagina, they are a what muscular canal? Muscular canal means what? They are made of muscles through which something can pass. Okay, and they are made with nerves. Nerves are there, and as well as mucous membranes. Mucous membranes means what? Mucus means they are sticky, slimy, and transparent color, you can say. Okay, they are transparent color, and they are made with all those things. And this vagina, they are connected by what? They are connected by the uterus and cervix. ओके तो ये वेजाइना है, ये मस्कुलर कैनल. मस्कुलर मतलब क्या? मसल्स से बनाया है. मस्कुलर कैनल मतलब कुछ यहाँ पे अंदर आ सकता है, घुस सकता है. ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं कैनल. तो उसका लंबाई कितना है? 7.5 सेंटीमीटर लंबा है. और ये यहाँ पे नर्व्स है और म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन्स भी है. म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन्स मतलब थोड़ा फिसला होगा और ट्रांसपेरेंट कलर होगा. और ये वेजाइना यूटेरस और सर्विक्स में कनेक्टेड. ठीक है, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is uterus. This uterus you can say as a womb also, W-O-M-B, womb. So this uterus, they are a muscular organ, means they are made up of muscles. And the shape of the uterus is what? The shape of the uterus is just like a pear. P-E-A-R, pear. You know that pear? Which this pear which will lie upside down. It looks like that. And this uterus, they are lined by what? Endometrium. This uterus, they are lined, means lining is there in this uterus. So that lining is known as what? Endometrium. Okay, next क्या है? यूटेरस. इसको वुम भी बोलते हैं, W-O-M-B, वुम. और ये मसल से बनाया है. उसका शेप कैसा है? मतलब दिखने में कैसा है? दिखने में पीर का जैसा है. पीर मतलब नाशपाती. नाशपाती पता है ना? तो ये पीर का जैसा है, जो मतलब उल्टा साइड में जब तुम नाशपाती रखोगे वो दिखने में ऐसा ही है. और ये यूटेरस, उसका लाइनिंग है, तो उसका नाम क्या है? एंडोमेट्रियम. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन अबाउट यूटेरस?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is fallopian tube. This fallopian tube you can say as uterine also. Uterine or else fallopian tube. It has got two names. So this fallopian tube, it is where it is located, right side and left side, both sides. Understand? Right side and left side, both. So from the name itself, tubes, they are just like tube. It's not it. This fallopian tube. So from this fallopian tube, what you will get here from this uterus? Okay, this is the uterus. The uterus, they will extend in both sides. Okay, like this, like this, like this. They will extend in both sides. That is the fallopian tube. This uterus is also known as womb. You remember, right? So this womb, they will extend from each side. That is right side and the left side, which is known as the fallopian tube. And this fallopian tube, they are attached with the ovaries. Okay, this is ovary, 1, 2, both sides. They are attached to both of these ovaries. And this ovaries, what you will find here, you will find that in this ovaries, the eggs, okay, all the eggs, they will come and they will locate here. Okay, means they will transport here and they will locate in this uterus. Understand? Means this ovaries, in this ovaries, what you will find? Egg, E-double-G egg. You remember, right? In this ovaries, you will find egg. So The eggs will go there. They will transport here. They will transport through this fallopian tube, and it will go and settle here in this uterus. Understand? तो ये fallopian tube है. तो ये fallopian tube कैसा है? ये जो uterus है, ठीक है, ये दोनों साइड्स में, मतलब राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड दोनों साइड में निकल आएगा. ठीक है, निकलेगा तो निकलने का टाइम में fallopian tube बन जाएगा. ठीक है, और ये fallopian tube ovaries दोनों साइड से अटैच है. ठीक है, एक साथ छिपा हुआ है, मतलब चिपका है वो लोग. fallopian tube और ovaries एक साथ ऐसे चिपक के रखा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ पे जो मैच्योर्ड एग है, यानी कि जो अंडा है, जो मैच्योर्ड वाला अंडा है, ये fallopian tube के द्वारा यूटेरस पे चला जाएगा. ठीक है, वोम, इसको वोम भी बोलते हैं. तो ये यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. ओके, इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन टिल हियर? Yes, is it clear about fallopian tube?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is ovary. Okay, next is ovary, both sides. Okay, 1, 2. This ovary, you'll find that you'll find 2 ovaries. And what is the shape of these 2 ovaries? The shape, they look like almond shape. You know, na almond? They look like almond. And they are made up of glands. Okay, and they contain what? These ovaries, they contain ova, OVA, ova. And these sex hormones, they are made up by these ovaries. Okay, the sex hormones are made by these 2 ovaries. Understand? And this is the 2 ovaries, 1, 2, and you'll find that the shape of the ovary, you'll find that they are small and they are just like almond shape, and they are made of glands where ova is there, OVA, ova. And in this ovary, what you will find that you will find that they are made up of sex hormones. Okay, sex hormones are made by these ovaries. तो ये ovaries है, ये दोनों में मिलेगा, राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड पे. ये दोनों मतलब थोड़ा छोटा है और ये आलमंड का जैसा है. ठीक है, और ग्लैंड्स, इसको ग्लैंड्स भी बोलते हैं. तो ये ovaries पे क्या है, यहाँ पे ओवा है, OVA, ओवा. तो ovaries पे हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा, ovaries पे हम लोग को सेक्स हार्मोन्स मिलता है. ठीक है, सेक्स हार्मोन्स ओवरी पे बनता है. Okay, is it clear till ovaries? Are you clear about uterus, ovary, then vagina? Is it clear to you, everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is menstrual cycle, which you will find in female reproductive system. Next is menstrual cycle. So this menstrual cycle, it will last for at least 28 days. Okay, which you will find in female, it will last for 28 days. And in menstrual cycle, what happens? Menstrual cycle is what is it usually means that like a female, okay, a woman is getting ready for pregnant, means that menstrual cycle. Okay, unless and until the woman won't get this periods, that is menstrual cycle, she won't be able to bear a child. She won't be able to get pregnant. Understand? तो ये menstrual cycle 28 days तक होता है, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे क्या होता है, मतलब अगर एक औरत को menstrual cycle मतलब periods नहीं हुआ है, तो उसको मतलब बच्चे होने में इसका तकलीफ होगा, ठीक है? Is it clear? And in this menstrual cycle, you will get different phases. That is menstrual phase, luteal phase, ovulation phase, and follicular phase. So about all these phases, I will explain to you in the next class. Okay, is it clear everyone till here?
Ma'am.
Is it clear, Jyotishmita?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
where does the zygote matures?
It will form here. Okay, here in this area. Understand, Jyotishmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's all for today's class. In the next class, we will discuss. हाँ आमिया,
फर्स्ट पेज देखना है.
मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. ये फर्स्ट फेज, ठीक है? फर्स्ट फेज 1 to 5 days. It depends upon the individual. Maybe 7 days, maybe 10 days, like that. Okay, but maximum
मैम
you see. हाँ
मैम जो ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम का पहला था ना, वो फेज देखना है.
human reproductive system. This one.
यस मैम, यस.
Okay. हो गया?
हो गया मैम.
Okay.